Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on iPhone 17e. So in order to enter the recovery mode, you will have to connect your iPhone 17e to your computer. So this can be a laptop, this can be a Mac, Windows, whatever. And once you plug it in, once you connect the phone, you will need to turn it off. So let's go to the control center, press and hold your finger on the power button for a second and then lift it up, and then just slide to the right side in order to shut down the phone. Then we're gonna press and hold the side button and keep holding it all the time. So even if you see the Apple logo, you want to keep holding the side button. And soon after that, we should be able to open the recovery mode over here. Now, if you want to exit the recovery mode, what you have to do is you just have to press and hold the side button again. So just keep holding the side button. And then once the screen turns off, you should still keep holding the button to restart the phone, of course. And once you see the Apple logo, we can lift our finger. In case the phone does not want to turn on, you can release the side button and then press it again. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.